Welcome to the brief overview video for lab number 7, formulation and testing of rigid polyurethane foam. Once again, your quiz will cover information that is present on your lab handout. So shown here is some information on it. Again, don't pay too much attention to the data collection that you need to do because we're not actually collecting any data. But that's the information that we would be collecting and that is present in your data sheet. There's a short overview video, probably about 4 minutes, on the science inside rigid polyurethane foams. Once again, there's some interesting information there that's also supplemental to the lecture information. So take some time and watch that. That can give you a little more insight. After you complete those two, please take your lab number 7 quiz. Your lab handout should have the majority of the information that you need on that to complete your quiz successfully. After that, I would like you to look at your data sheet that is given. So I'm reiterating the foam formulations that are given. There's a particular formulation item that is varied. I describe what's present in Part A and Part B, how these were mixed together, and then what was measured and is present in Table 2. So you use that particular data to answer the questions that are present in your Lab 7 worksheet. Once again, your worksheet is what you need to answer to satisfy the Lab number 7 report requirement. So here you have a series of questions that all pertain to the data set for Lab number 7. So answer those questions as completely as possible. Once again, complete answers get you full credit. Incomplete answers and incorrect answers will get you partial credit. Things that are left blank give you no credit. So be sure to fill that in as completely as possible. After this particular lab is completed, all of your lab activities are done. So after you turn in Lab Report 7, or finish your worksheet and submit it as part of Lab Report 7, you should be able to move on to your lab final exam. And your lab final exam is shown here. This consists of it basically is a take-home lab assignment. It is all of your lab quiz questions in order in a take-home form. So this should be easy for you to do, but please finish Lab 7, or you'll have to, before you move on to the lab final exam. And once again, make sure you turn in both your Lab Report 7 and your final exam by the due date. All of these things are found here in your modules in Canvas, including the lab final exam. So good luck and complete your